All right, hey guys, this is week 4, day 2 of PE. So I'm glad that you clicked on the link. We are ready to do right here, chair toss 2. So yesterday or the last time you had PE, you did chair toss 1. Now we're doing chair toss 2. So our standard for today is motor skills and movement patterns. And our learning target is to play by the rules and have fun. And our higher order thinking question is, how can we make this game better? Okay. Now, game, chair toss 2. So watch as I demonstrate the game. I'm going to go ahead and read you the rules, and then I will actually show you how to play. Okay, and then it'll be your turn. So you're going to stand in front of a chair and toss 2 things on it. So last time I tossed the fish. This time I'm going to toss the fish and the pig. These are my friends. So like I was telling you before, I would suggest if you have 2 stuffed animals, maybe you have a stuffed animal that you sleep with and your brother or sister has one, borrow, be really nice to them and borrow one from them, because a ball is probably going to bounce, but you can try a ball. Pillow would be really good. So if you have 2 pillows or 1 stuffed animal, 1 pillow, those are 2 good things to use. All right, so you're going to toss 2 things on the chair at the same time. If both things stay on the chair, give yourself 2 points and step back. If one thing stays, then of course the other one fell. Give yourself 1 point and throw again. Don't step back, just throw again. So you can only step back if 2 things stay. If neither thing stays, give yourself 0 points and throw again. So everything that stays on the chair, like this, throw it on the chair, boom, it stays on the chair, you get a point for that. All right, and you only step back if there's 2. The amount that stays on the chair determines how much you count up. So if I had 3 points and I throw the pig and the fish, they both stay on the chair, then I say 4 or 5, okay? If only 1 stays on, then I say 4. If 0 stays on, I don't count at all. So you only step back if both things stay on the chair. This is going to make a lot more sense when you actually watch me play it, okay? So I'm going to make myself big now so you can really see me. And here we go. All right, so all you need for this game is 1 chair. And of course you could use the couch or, a recliner, whatever you sit on. Or you could, if you have a chair like this that you just, can pull around, that works too. That's what I have. So that's what I'm going to use, okay? So you can't see it, so let me see if I can move this. All right, so now you can see the chair. You can see me, hopefully. If I get out of screen, out of camera, then I'll move it. All right, so, yes, we're going to get to play with these when you get back to school. Whenever the COVID is better and we can start school, they squeak, okay? But anyway, use what you have. All right, so I've got 2 animals. I'm going to stand right in front of the chair, throw both of them. So I throw with one hand pig, the other hand the fish. That's it. That was easy. So now I say 1, 2. So I get to take a step back. Okay, I throw both of them. They both stayed on. 3, 4. Try again. Now I get to take another step back. Okay, I throw both of them. They both fell off. So I don't count. I still have 4. And I've got to go back to the same spot and try again. So I throw both of them. They both stayed on. So now I say 5, 6. And I take 1 step back. Oh, I'm almost in the bathroom. So now, here I go. The fish fell off. The pig stayed on. So I just say 7. Okay? Now I don't get to scoot back. All right? So let's say both of them miss, okay? So I've got 7 points, and I throw, they both stayed on. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you what happens if they both stay on. All right, so I've got 7, right? They both stayed on the chair. So now I say 8, 9, and I step back. Oh, here I am, okay? So let's see. I'm going to throw from here. The pig stayed on. The fish fell off. Okay? So I have to stay where I am. Okay? And I have to stay where I am. And let's see, I had 9 points, I think. So now I say 10, because I only get to count 1. Okay? So let's say I throw, oh no, both of them missed. Then I have to step forward. Okay? I throw again. Oh no, the fish stayed on, pig fell off. So now I have 11. I have to stay where I am. Okay? I throw again. Both of them missed. I have to step forward, and I don't count. Okay? So that's how we're going to do it. 0 means you have to step forward. 1 means you have to stay. And 2 means you get to step back. And only whatever stays on the chair is what you count. Okay? I hope that makes sense. This is a good game. Just like I told you last time, this is a good game that, you might want to let, if mom or dad, grandma, your aunt, your uncle, your grandfather, your big brother or sister, whoever's with you, if you don't understand the game, then maybe you pause the video and you know how you do the thing where you make it go back, then let them watch that part where I was showing you and see if they understand the game, okay? I'm sure they will. But like I did before, I'm going to show you the rules one more time. So maybe this will help. Watch as I demonstrate the game. Stand in front of the chair and toss 2 things on it. If both things stay, give yourself 2 points and step back. If one thing stays, give yourself 1 point and throw again. Okay? If neither thing stays, give yourself 0 points and throw again. But once you start stepping back, that's the part that may be the most confusing. If I've already stepped back and I throw, both things stay on, I take a step back and I count, okay? I count 2 times. So if I've got 2 points and both things stay on, then I say 3, 4, I step back. If I've got 2 points and one thing stays on, then I say I've got 2 points, then I say 3, but I don't step back. I just stay where I am, okay? If I've got 2 points and I throw and both of them fall off, then I just keep the 2 points and I have to step forward, okay? So if they both stay on, you step back. If one stays on, you stay where you are and try again. You always try again. And then if 0 stay on, then you step forward. All right, I can't make it any more clear than that. All right, we are at 8 minutes. So I want you to play for about 15 minutes. So this is where, like I told you last time, and this is where parents, you need to help out if you don't mind, please. Stop the video, so pause the video, play the game for 15 minutes, and if you can think of a way to change the video to make it more fun, if you want to play with whoever's at home with you, play at the same time, do all those things, okay? But play for 15 minutes, and then start the video up again, and we'll do our closing meeting, okay? So I'm going to wait while you pause the video and play the game for 15 minutes. All right, I'm assuming that you did what I asked, that you paused the video, you played the game for 15 minutes, and now we are going to do our closing, what I call our closing meeting, where we ask our higher order thinking question when we're at home. When we're at school, we'll be doing the same thing, but we'll be sitting down. So this is where our higher order thinking question, which is what HOT stands for, higher order thinking skills question. How can we make this game better? So talk to someone that you're with if they are able to talk to you. If you're by yourself, just think about it, okay? But what could we do to make this game better? Should we throw more than 2? Should we use a different part of our body to throw or kick or whatever? Should we have something different happen if the fish or if the animal or whatever you're throwing stays on or off? Could you throw at something else? Think about all those things and think about how you could change the game. And if this was live, I would ask you, but since it's not, next time you talk to me. If you have an idea, let me know, okay? All right, so good job, guys. I will see you next time on PE Online.